Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Buick Regal 2011 to 2017? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. We will show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The Buick Regal 2011 and 2012 engine compartment fuse box protects critical systems such as the engine, cooling, and lighting from overloads and short circuits. It houses fuses and relays and allows easy access for inspection and maintenance. The Buick Regal 2013 to 2017 engine compartment fuse box protects essential systems, including the engine, cooling, and lighting, from overloads and short circuits. It contains fuses and relays and provides easy access for inspection and maintenance. Passenger compartment fuse box. The Buick Regal 2011 and 2012 passenger compartment fuse box protects interior electrical systems, including dashboard controls, lighting, and infotainment. It prevents overloads and short circuits and allows easy access for fuse inspection and replacement. The Buick Regal 2013 to 2017 passenger compartment fuse box protects interior electrical systems, including dashboard controls, lighting, and infotainment. It safeguards circuits from overloads and short circuits and provides easy access for fuse inspection and replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.